The ProShares UltraShort 20+ Year Treasury ETF, TBT, is a financial product that allows investors to bet on the direction of long-term Treasury bond prices. It is a type of exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the performance of an index of Treasury bonds with maturities of 20 years or longer. The TBT is designed to provide investors with the opportunity to profit from falling Treasury bond prices, or to hedge against rising interest rates. It does this by using financial instruments called derivatives, which are contracts that derive their value from the performance of an underlying asset. In the case of the TBT, the underlying asset is a basket of long-term Treasury bonds. The TBT is a short ETF, which means that it seeks to generate returns that are opposite to the performance of the underlying index. In other words, if long-term Treasury bond prices fall, the value of the TBT is likely to rise. Conversely, if long-term Treasury bond prices rise, the value of the TBT is likely to fall. One of the key risks of investing in the TBT is the potential for significant losses if the underlying Treasury bond prices rise. This is because the TBT is designed to amplify the returns of the underlying index, meaning that any gains or losses are multiplied. For example, if long-term Treasury bond prices rise by 10%, the value of the TBT could fall by much more than 10%. Another risk of investing in the TBT is the use of derivatives, which can be complex and difficult to understand. Derivatives can also be highly leveraged, meaning that they can amplify gains and losses. This can increase the risk of significant losses, particularly if the underlying index moves against the investor's position. Despite these risks, the TBT can be an attractive option for investors who are looking to profit from falling long-term Treasury bond prices, or who want to hedge against rising interest rates. It can also be a useful tool for diversifying a portfolio and managing risk. However, it is important for investors to carefully consider their investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in the TBT or any other financial product. It is also advisable to consult with a financial professional to determine whether the TBT is appropriate for your individual circumstances.